Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to take screenshots on this watch. To take screenshots on this watch, first we need to assign the hotkey for it. So we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu. After the menu opens, we can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, select the system option and press the start button. Now let's scroll through this menu by pressing the down button, select the option called hotkey and press the start button to enter. And here we have the list of hotkeys we can use to take a screenshot. We have different combinations. Select the one you like. For example, start plus up, so start button and this button. Press the start button to enter and now scroll through the list of functions and find the screenshot. Once you find it and select it, press start to confirm. And now we can use the start plus up button to take screenshots. So let's press and hold them. And after a second or two, you see the message screenshot taken. And it means that the screenshot was taken on your watch. And if you want to access your screenshots, you need to plug in your watch to a computer, open the watch folder on your computer, and in the folder you should see a folder called screenshots, I believe, or something like that. And there you can find the screenshots. Okay, so that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.